We have somebody that every few months they get fluid in their left ear. It interferes with their hearing. How can they dry it or prevent it from happening?
Okay, there are a couple things that can happen. Okay, if the inner portion, there's a tube that goes from your throat to the inner ear, and it can become obstructed if, let's say that you have either an infection or just a swollen lymph node. That happens, it shuts down, it pulls the eardrum inward, and then all of a sudden you end up with called a serous otitis media. The trick that I like to do, okay, the thing that I like to do to help people out with this very easy thing to do is something called ear candling. Okay. And one of my patients actually turned me on to this. And what you do is you go to the hippie store, okay, sometimes known as the herb shop, and you ask them for something called an ear candle. And this is a piece of beeswax that's wrapped up like a funnel. Okay. They'll teach you how to do it because somebody has to walk you through this. And you shove this thing in your ear, light it up, and sit back as it burns its way down. And the gentle heat from the candle, the gentle suction from the chimney effect pulls the wax out of the ear. You come out of this thing, you feel like $1,000,000. It cost a whole $1 to do this. Okay, so one of my patients threw me down on my own exam table, stuck this thing in my ear, lit it up, and said, "You got 20 minutes of my time now." And I thought, this is not going to end well. And all I could do as I sat there feeling very foolish was to sing "Happy Birthday" to me. At the end of it, I felt pretty good. I suggest that for you. Next.